哇！
It's time I wake up.
今次
This is 7
我中途
years.
希望我頂得順。
We've been 7 years cold nights. Time for summer. Walls came down, walls that were holding us in. They've been holding us in without a place to call home. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking us to the edge of hope. Carry me outside, I want daylight. Carry me outside.
今日會行一個相對地比較少人知道嘅山，呢個係位於庫斯科南部100公里以外，係全秘魯第5大嘅山，亦都係庫斯科地區入邊最高嘅山 Mountain Osengate。
One thing about the horses, it's a place where you can rent. Later we don't have horses.
Later the track is so difficult.
It's like this. All the track is like this.
Okay, I try to walk.
Yeah, few sections is a little uphill.
Okay. 因為琴日 Rainbow Mountain 我都騎咗嘛，今次想盡力行下。I saw some houses.
Yes, a few people are living over here. They have some alpacas, llamas.
Llama.
Yeah, they are farming.
They're farming. Oh,
Yeah.
they're farmer. No internet here, right?
No.
今日都仲係仍然有印加人喺山上面住，佢哋會養羊駝作為寵物。途中亦都會見到有啲印加人喺地攤度買下啲紀念品俾遊客維生。山上面係冇 WiFi 嘅，而且住喺山上面位置比較高嘅小朋友，每日都要上落山幾個鐘頭返學。
行到一半都冇，最難嗰個位我都仲未到，跟住我瘋狂爆尾，瘋狂要讓路俾人。我諗我行到過去，行2步要唞一唞嗰啲嚟嘅。I need to record how hard is it.
喺到達第一個律觀之前，有一條路係要不停咁樣行斜路，而今日嘅高山反應明顯都比琴日嚴重，中間有幾次都好想嘔，同埋個肚都好唔舒服。
Finally. Finally. 黐線，紐西蘭要俾錢入去睇草泥馬，而家哇免費，好有得睇。好似好驚我咁。行到想死咁，嚟到見到呢個大自然，我都覺得值得。哇，好得意啊！有灰色啊，自然嘅威力啊，好似喺風景度影相。哇，黐線，好中意啡色咯。
Mountain Ocean Gate 呢邊重點係有7個湖，好彩湖同湖之間嘅距離都唔係好遠，所以只要堅持捱到上嚟呢，就會輕鬆少少㗎喇。
That colors, that mix of
It's amazing. Amazing than the lagoon.